Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change an Audi A4 key fob battery. Start by placing your fob on a clean table and removing the emergency key with your thumb. Pry the fob open gently with a small flathead screwdriver at the seam. Remove the old CR2032 battery using a non-metal tool if possible to avoid shorting. Replace with the new battery oriented positive side up, then snap the case closed and test the button. Once you have the mechanical key out, find the small notch on the fob edge for prying. Insert the flathead screwdriver gently and twist just enough to open the seam. Too much force can crack the plastic. Work patiently around the perimeter until the halves separate. Keep track of any tiny springs or clips that may fall out. Set the top cover aside and expose the battery area so you can safely remove the old CR2032 cell. With the fob open, observe the battery orientation before removal so you know how to place the new CR2032. Use a plastic tool or fingernail to lift the old cell straight out to avoid damaging contacts. Slide the new battery into the slot, making sure the positive side matches the original. Close the halves by aligning clips and pressing firmly until they click. Reinsert the mechanical key and test remote lock, unlock, and trunk functions immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.